Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm a Python trainer. These are students, Shreyas. He got placed in a company. He's going to share the experience about the PySpider.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for introducing me. And myself, Shreyas, and I have completed my ISE from Global Academy of Technology. I joined the PySpiders during March 2025, and when I had joined, I was a little bit nervous about the environment. And later, I got blessed with great teachers and like Alex sir, Keshav sir, and Govindaraja sir, Avinash sir, etc., etc. They taught their respective subjects in a very great manner, which helped me to land in a great company and blessing me in the form of getting a great company. And I would like to thank all the trainers and all the team of PySpiders for making this opportunity for me. Thank you.
Okay. How mock interview were helpful to crack the interview?
During the initial days, I was a little bit scared when I was talking face to face. So when I joined PySpiders, during the mock interviews, I got to know how to speak, how to start a communication, and how to introduce ourselves to the opposite person, and which helped me to overcome the fear of nervousness and also the communication skills I learned using the mock interviews.
I wish you all the best for further career.